Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new highway to be built. This is going to be a highway from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle in St Ann. Now this road we're driving on is a northern coastal highway. This is the road you drive on presently to go from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle. But this road is very busy and it's one of the busiest roads in Jamaica and it cannot manage all the traffic that's on the road now. So the government proposed to build a toll highway from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle. They're also going to be building another toll highway in the other direction from Mammee Bay to Trelawney. So the entire parish of St Ann is going to have highways. So we are going to give you an update on this new highway. But before we do, though, there is a highway that goes from Kingston to Mammee Bay called the Jamaica North-South Highway. It's a toll highway. So at Mammee Bay, that highway will intersect with the section that goes from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle and the other section from Mammee Bay to Trelawney. So there is going to be a major interchange out in Mammee Bay to connect all these highways. But we'll talk about the interchange in another video. The proposed toll highway from Mammee Bay to Tower Isle is an important step forward, improving transportation along Jamaica's north coast. This corridor, which includes Ocho Rios, experiences heavy traffic due to tourism, daily commuting, and commercial activity. At present, the main road passes directly through busy towns, leading to frequent congestion, delays, and safety concerns. The new toll highway would provide a modern bypass route allowing vehicles to travel faster and more efficiently without passing through crowded urban areas. This would reduce travel time, ease congestion, and improve road safety for both motorists and pedestrians. The project is also expected to boost economic growth. Improved road access can attract investment in tourism, housing, and business development along the corridor. For visitors, quicker and more reliable travel between destinations would enhance Jamaica's appeal as a tourist destination. For residents, it would mean better access to jobs and services. In conclusion, the Mammee Bay to Tower Isle toll highway has the potential to transform travel on the North Coast by reducing congestion and supporting development, but its success will depend on careful planning and balanced implementation. Alright, so that's the end of the update, and they are currently in the planning phase of this project, and China Harbour Engineering Company is going to be doing the actual construction. So we will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.